Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Nasser here, and in this video we're going to learn how to tell the difference between an artery, vein and capillary. Now these are the three main types of blood vessels, and they often appear on the histological slides. Now if you understand their structure and purpose, you can very quickly identify them and be able to distinguish between these. Let's look at them side by side. An artery. If you look at this vessel here, notice the wall is thick and well defined. Arteries have a thick muscular wall because they carry blood under high pressure away from the heart. The lumen, or the central space here, is usually smaller and more round. So for arteries, look for thick walls and small round lumens. Now let's compare that with this vessel here. Here the wall is much thinner and the lumen is much larger. Veins carry blood back to the heart under low pressure, so they don't really need a thick wall. The lumen often looks irregular or slightly collapsed. So for veins, look for thin walls, large lumens, and a less regular shape. Now let's look at this very small structure here. Capillaries are extremely thin, made of just a single layer of cells. The lumen is so small that the red blood cells can often pass through in a single file. Capillaries are designed for exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste. So for capillaries, look for very thin walls, a tiny lumen, which is often only one cell layer thick. When you see a blood vessel, go in this order. First, check the wall thickness. Then look for the size and shape of the lumen. Then ask yourself, is the wall thick or thin? Is the lumen small and round or large and irregular? Is the structure extremely small and delicate? These questions will help guide you to the right answer. And here's a pattern to remember. Arteries have thick, stronger walls and a smaller, more round lumen because they carry blood under high pressure. Veins have a thinner wall and often much larger and irregular lumen because the pressure is much lower. And the capillaries are very small, with walls only one cell layer thick, allowing exchange of substances. If you compare wall thickness and lumen size, you can very quickly tell them apart. So in summary, arteries are built for pressure, veins are built for volume, and capillaries are built for exchange. Once you train your eye to compare the wall thickness and lumen shape, identifying the different types of blood vessels becomes a lot more straightforward. So I hope that helped. Any questions, please do let me know, put it in the comments below. If you liked this video and thought it was useful, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.